Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute, super simple Christmas decoration. This activity is a little more fiddly, so I recommend it for slightly older children, upper key stage 2. I've had great success doing it with a year 5 class. Each child will need 2 sheets of Christmassy paper. I'm going with some old sheet music paper, but you can go with whatever you can get your hands on. Newspaper looks fantastic. The only rule is the 2 sheets need to be the same size. Glue, sellotape, pair of scissors, and I've got ribbon. You can go with string. Step 1, take 1 sheet of paper, fold it in half. Take your scissors and cut. Take your other sheet of paper and repeat the process. So you've now got 4 pieces of paper that are exactly the same size. Step 2, we're going to start folding the piece of paper. One direction, flip it over the other direction. You then have a small concertina. We're now going to fold this in half. Apply some glue to one side. Close it together and you've now got a quarter of a circle. Repeat that process for the other 3 sheets of paper. Step number 3. We've now got our 4 pieces of paper which have been folded. We're now going to connect them by gluing the outside of one to the outside of the other. You'll then end up with a stack of them. Now finally, we open this out and very carefully tease it so that it opens out as far as it will go without breaking. In a class, you might want to let the glue dry completely before you ask your kids to do this, until finally it touches. You'll then want to put some glue where the 2 edges meet. Stick them together and just pinch it for a couple of moments. Final step, take out your ribbon, string, whatever your class has. Cut a good size length, and then you're going to want to attach it to your decoration. And there we have it, a beautiful Christmas decoration ready to go on the tree. I'd love to know how you get on with your class. Let me know, how did you individualise yours? Make sure you subscribe for more Art for Topic ideas in the future.